Alright, lovely. So we got 1 cup of almond milk right there. Good morning, Nicole. Hey, nice to see you, Nicole, man. What's going on? Not seeing you at all. Good morning. Anyway, good morning. Thank you so much for the support. Alright, now, as you can see, I have 1 cup of almond milk right here, and I'm gonna walk you through how to make this beautiful pudding. It's like a pudding for breakfast in the morning. I don't know if you guys can get this one. This is chia seeds, and this is like natural high protein, and it's fiber also, natural and almond as in 3. All right, this is very good, guys. Very good. Yeah, most people, they use it in their diet, this one right here. So I would encourage you guys to give this one a try. If you can get it, please just Google it. Chia seeds, 100% natural superfood, and it's very good, and I will encourage you guys to get it. All right, so chia seed. So what you want to do, oh sorry, Nick, no man, that's not good. Anyway, the Lord will bless you and protect you. All right, don't worry. So what you want to do, you want to make sure get your almond milk warm first. All right, that's the first thing you want to do. You want to make sure you warm the almond milk. All right, the almond milk is, you can use whatever kind of milk you like to use at home, but for me this morning I'm using some almond milk. You can use a regular milk or whatever kind of milk you like to use. You can use it in the morning. All right, I was supposed to start the show at least about 10 o'clock this morning, but I think I got a requested video which someone requested a green juice recipe. I might do that video probably about 11 o'clock. I don't know if I get the time to do that one. I will do that one. But what you want to do, make sure the milk is hot like this. All right, and I'm going to walk you through it and show you exactly what you need to do. All right, so what I'm going to do, just turn off the cooker now. All right, that's off, and then I'm just going to put that right over there. Let's put that over there, because I'm going to give you guys 2 lovely recipes this morning. Okay, yeah, lovely. All right, so we got the cup right there. All right, so we're gonna pour off that almond milk. All right, yeah. Now, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna be using a half a teaspoon, and I'm gonna put in some ginger powder. So roughly about, this is half a teaspoon of ginger powder into it. All right, yeah, that's the ginger powder. We're gonna put some cinnamon powder. Also, we're gonna use half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Make sure you give that a lovely whisk up like that. All right, now cayenne pepper. A lot of people doesn't know cayenne pepper is really good when you're making this kind of pudding. All right, weight loss pudding. So we're gonna put roughly about a pinch of the cayenne pepper. You can't put too much. You have to put just a pinch of cayenne pepper in it. All right, because that's really spicy. All right, now turmeric, that's what you need to make it. So we're gonna get some turmeric, and I'm using the grounded one. If you can get some organic one, it's much better. So roughly we're gonna get about a teaspoon of the turmeric. All right, I'm gonna put that straight into it. So what I will have to do, I will put all of the ingredients what I've been using underneath the video, okay? Give that a lovely mix. See that? How it look? That's the way it look, alright? If you want, you can put some honey, but I only recommend it to guys to use honey. I just prefer use it go naturally, but I'm gonna put a teaspoon of honey inside of it just to show you if you guys want to use some honey. Alright, then now this is the magic. Alright, chai seeds. So we're gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Roughly about 5 teaspoons of the chai seed. Alright. Give that a mix. Because chai seed, it suck it up, so it's gonna be turned into like a pudding. Well, I'm just looking if it wants some more. So I'm gonna put some more inside of it. So I'm gonna put 5, 6, 7, put 8. Alright, 8 teaspoons of the chai seed. Alright, that's looking good. Alright, so basically it's cooking it. Alright, so what we're gonna do, let's come back in a minute. Let's cover it. Alright, we're gonna cover it and we're gonna come back a minute. Alright, in the meantime I'm gonna rinse up my pot. Alright, lovely. Now I've got another secret recipe which I say I want to share with you guys. You know what I mean? A lot of people need to know this recipe. Alright, now let's see it look. Alright, you see? Alright, so it's forming together. It will take a little bit of time and it just form together. But if you leave it for a few minutes, that's what's gonna happen. It's just gonna form together and it just became a pudding. Alright, so that's what you want to have in the morning for breakfast. If you're a person who definitely say, you know what, to myself, I want to lose some weight and you know what I mean, I want to try something different in the morning, this is like a recipe for you. Okay, alright, big up all of my members them who subscribe to my YouTube channel and join the membership. Big up all the time. My respect goes for you. Alright, now that pudding is finished right here, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make you guys see